One of the best ways to save time and money is new Walmart Plus. I'm super excited about this. I've been using it to make my life easier, make things happen faster. I want to tell you a little bit about it. So life on the road as an airline pilot, one of the ways to make it a lot easier is with delivery food from the Walmart Plus app. And another feature that's super handy is the scan and go. So we're able to grab stuff, just walk out through the checkout line. So I'm gonna walk you through how I've been using Walmart Plus, both for delivery to my hotel and also for the scan and go feature to make checking out just a little bit easier. So if you travel for work, living out of a hotel, it's pretty difficult. Going out to eat can like wear on you, eating nasty food all the time. And so with Walmart delivery, with Walmart Plus, I'm able to order food directly in my room, and then I can go ahead and cook it at the hotel. So you can eat something that's a little bit better on a more regular basis, not have to go out, eat food that's maybe not as good for you. So I enjoy using the delivery feature of Walmart Plus to get the food right to my hotel and cook it up there, have a nice homemade dinner in the hotel while I'm on the road. Anything about me, I'm always trying to do things more efficiently. So now we're going to try out this Walmart Scan and Go app, and we'll see how this thing works. I'm really excited about this. When Amazon started rolling out the Amazon stores where you can just like go in and walk out and it charges you for stuff, I got really excited about that. And I remember way back in the day when I was asset protection manager at Walmart, Walmart was trying to work on ways where they would put RFID chips in every product so you could have a seamless checkout experience. And, obviously that never happened, but it looks like maybe with the Scan and Go app, we're getting there. And with minimum wage, probably going up to $15 an hour in the near future, a lot of those worthless jobs are going to become even more worthless when we can just scan stuff and walk out of the store. So let's see if I can actually just scan my stuff, walk out of the store. This should be cool. The Scan and Go feature is mobile checkout feature rolled out on your iPhone. So as you roll through the store and you select your goods, you can scan them as you put them in your cart. As you're scanning your stuff and putting it in your cart, you're also building your checkout. So all you have to do when you get up front is just scan a QR code on the checkout register and it'll give you a digital receipt right on your phone. You can take this receipt and use it as you walk out of the store. are two things I found super helpful, the delivery and the Scan and Go with Walmart Plus. Please leave me a comment down below, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you around for more useful tips and life hacks.